Welcome to Goyum Group.
I'm engineer Salih. I'm mechanical engineer. I have joined Goyum on 2013. Since then, I have working with them, join their technical team in Sudan, and I visited Ludhiana several times, saw their factories in Ludhiana, and I saw their technology there, and they have a very fine technology, manufacturing, and they developed the machinery to suit our seeds in Sudan. Now Goyum become #1 in Sudan distributor. They have a 70% of the share market in Sudan, and we have the reliability and confident in their machines in Sudan. Since I met the technical team of Goyum in Sudan, they developed my career, and to know more about the specification of the machinery and all accessories. They do it with a very fine machine in Ludhiana, and they have a very big technical team in Ludhiana and in Sudan. There is backup here. There is spare part for every detail of the machinery here in Sudan. Now we can supply any spare part immediately for any clients in Sudan, whatever in west or east or north or south. We have technical team. Now we can send him in even rural area to back up the machine and to supervise. And we have also a technical team for installation and maintenance. My message to the owner of oil mills and whatever anybody is thinking about to establish oil mill in Sudan, his first choice should be Goyum, because we have the very big base and a supply of spare parts, and we have also equipment, and we have our store for spare part and machinery. Every machinery, every detail, you can find it immediately.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.